Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one is also laundry hamper, but this one can be foldable with a cardboard inside. Let's check the detail. We designed the metal frame on the top of the laundry hamper. You can carry it. And there's a Velcro to connect it to the laundry hamper. There's big space inside. There's cardboard inside. You can take it out, then foldable like this. It can load about 5,000 pieces in 40 container. It's square laundry hamper. And we also can make a rectangular laundry hamper. You can censor your design and your size. We can make any sample for you. And the handle, we also can change luxury PVC handle according to your request. And the cardboard, put the cardboard inside. Then fully assembled. Let's check the size. 35, height 56 centimeter. This laundry hamper is very useful. You can post it in your in your bathroom. If you don't use it, you can fold it and put it in anywhere of your room.